how to change TikTok password if forgotten. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change TikTok password if forgotten. So in order to reset your TikTok password, all you have to do is make sure that your device is connected to an internet service and also that the application is up to date. Now then, to begin with, first thing first, go ahead and open up your TikTok, and then it's going to direct you to the interface something like this. Now first of all, go ahead and type in your email address or a password and click on forgot password. So after that, it's going to ask you to select whether you want to receive an OTP through a phone number and email. So I'm going to go with the phone number. So now type in the phone number associated with your TikTok account and click the button and click the send code button located right at the bottom. Now a code will be sent to your phone number. As you can see, in my case, I've already received a phone number, so you can copy the code and then paste it right over here. Once you're done entering the verification code, here you can see you'll be able to reset your password. So in that way, you can reset your password. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.